Are you ready, kids? Let's go.
Sit down. Hold your head, Elsa. Hold the chair.
Elisa, don't like that. She more daring. Okay. Whoa!
Elsa, your head over there. Just hold your chair.
Woo! Woo!
Sit down.
Every done. Every side done. Let's go! Woo! 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 Oh, not hot. There's no sun. Okay, now let's see what you see on the left. Pig. Oink oink. Pig. So many pigs. Oink oink. What do we see on the right? Anything? On the tree?
A monkey on top.
Monkeys! The brown tufted capuchin. Every side, look at me. Look at me, babies. Hey, why you all never look at me? Oh. Okay, enjoy, ah. Yeah. In front, ahead, there's more.
Hold on to your hats. This is going to be
The two of them, see? Oh, look, there's a bird. Okay, you see in front, white face Saki monkey on top. Look up. Look up. Can you see? You see the tail wagging? You saw it not? On top. You see here on your right. You saw it? Cannot see the face, sleeping.
We're now entering land of giants. Quick, to your left. Do you see something large and furry?
This hour, no
That's the
people,
giant
no queue.
anteater. Look out for the sharp claws. They're used to dig
Oh, no queue
into
is all.
Yeah, lor. First round got queue lah, but also it's quite fast. Then on top there, look, there's brown thing on top, brown animal.
Coming up next is our family of brown-nosed cookie monkeys.
What's that?
Able to turn their ankles over 180 degrees, and this helps them climb trees better.
Hey, look at the animals on the left. Oh, water again. They take the boat is for the water, not for the animals. Woo! Ready? Go! Woo!
Hey, sit down.
Sit down. Ah,
Do you
spider
see
monkey.
two large brown animals? These are Brazilian tapirs. Tapirs are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, going up to 300 kilograms. However, it still has enemies. When chased by the cougars and jaguars, they run and plunge into the river.
Yeah, we see jaguar. Now the flamingo is very nice because suddenly like you can see a bright color animals. Yeah, watch out for jaguars on your right, okay?
Jaguar.
Explorers, are you ready? We're about to come face to face with the most feared predator in the Amazon, the jaguar. Meet Shamu, our young jaguar. It was born in the Singapore Zoo
Where?
in
Sleeping ah.
2004.
Just not walking, I'm sleeping already.
Now sleeping ah, tired
Yeah lah.
lah. Too hot lah.
His
Hey,
parents
Elisa, don't like that ah. Your leg don't go out ah. On the boat ah.
Oh,
The
Elisa,
jaguar
careful
is a
ah.
top predator in
Don't
the
play ah, Elisa.
It
Not
has a
funny ah.
powerful punch that pierces the
Ay.
Because the soul can move here, move there one. Later you stuck your this one ah. This one one.
Oh, two still sleeping.
One there. Standing there. Two down there. Eh? This one. Yeah, this one can run very fast one. Ah, sit down ah.
Oh, we got the boat to ourselves, huh?
Go down here.
Oh, put the hand up. Are you ready? Are you ready?
These are the black island
Woo! Yay!
They howl loudly when they sense approaching wind.
Flamingo? Oh, that's the sound that they make. What are they doing? Sleeping?
The flamingos curve the beach acts as a sieve, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingo its red plumage. This opposite are our capybaras. These large cousins of the hamsters grow up to 70 kilograms and are the world's largest rodent.
Look, daddy. Yeah.
I hope you have been enjoying your voyage.
That's it
If
now.
you wish to see more Amazonian animals, head on left towards the Amazon Flood Forest. Have an amazing day at River Safari. Very well, explorers.
Hey, can you get the book again? Book again.
Nah.
Crazy like
At all times.
Hey, your hand.
What?
You don't listen. Later your hand ah, your everything kiap ah.
Say, how about my hand?
Arisa, how are we going to trust you like that? Daddy have to keep a very watchful eye on you. Arisa, not a time to be wildful, eh? The end. Actually, just now, Later ask the girl, her ask it.
I want to sell the ticket ah.